Hey everyone, welcome to Same Fitness. This is your boy Esteban here today again. Now today it's going to be a little different. I know I've been away from fitness and teaching you guys. You guys want to know why? It's, well, hard to say. In December, I had gotten injured. I was working and what I did, I was doing deliveries. I was doing truck driving deliveries, right? So and then when I was putting a box in the truck, I actually tore or pulled the lat. At the time, it was just like bothering me. I was throughout the day, and it went away. Now the next day I went back to the gym, and that's when I re-injured it. Now this time I actually tore the muscle all along from the top to the very bottom. And I started feeling like my side. Oh yeah, too, I had pulled the lower back. Now in 2015, I think I already had told you guys in one of the videos I had injured myself. Well, it happened again, so I couldn't exercise. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't walk, couldn't stand up, I couldn't sit down, I couldn't move, I couldn't pick up nothing off the ground, nothing. So I had to take a few months off, and well, I was trying to show you guys other videos, other types of videos that you guys might want to watch. It is a fitness channel, and I will include some fitness stuff, content inside this channel. But just to let you guys know, I also changed my channel name. So now it's called Same Fitness TV. TV as in like I like to show hikes, traveling, and many other things, including fitness, right? So as you guys seen some of the recent videos I have posted, one including, or one of them being, sorry, the Tennessee video, and the one before that I did San Diego. So in the meantime, I had been uploading those kind of videos for you guys to watch, but today I'm going to show you guys something new, and today's going to be awesome. Today I'm going to show you guys a workout that I learned back then. A coworker of mine had taught me this push-up, what he calls like a push-up challenge. So the point is that you guys have to start with one push-up, and every time you guys do one push-up, that's a second rest right after that. You can't touch the floor, meaning you can't put your knees down, or you cannot fall, pretty much. Nothing like that. And so every time you do a push-up, like 1, that's a 1 second rest. 2, that's a 2 second rest. 3, that's a 3 second rest. 4, that's a 4 second rest. 5 push-ups, that's a 5 second rest. Go all the way to 10. See if you can start from 1 and finish off with 10 without stopping. I mean, without taking or giving up or putting your knees down, or what, you know what I mean. See if you guys could do it. I'm going to show you guys how it's like. I'm going to demonstrate it right now, and go ahead and give it a shot. I call it the 1 to 10 push-up challenge. Oh yeah, guys, just to let you guys know, I actually only been able to complete this challenge, the push-up challenge, twice. Also, I just started working out about 3 weeks ago after my injury. So don't expect me to be able to do it. You know what? I ain't afraid of failing on camera. But you guys could give it a shot to see if you guys could do it. That's what I want to know. And if you guys complete it, go and let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and like too. You know what I was also thinking about including in my channel, guys? Maybe cooking. I would say some recipes that I know. Now these recipes I want to show you guys will help you guys either lose weight. I'll show you guys some recipes that can help you build muscle as well. So maybe in the following videos I'll say. But look out for those videos. Alright guys, so the 1 to 10 push-up challenge that I'm telling you guys about, it goes something like this. Now don't expect me to do it, but I just kind of want to show you what it's like. So here it goes. I'm going to start off with 1 and then 1 second rest. 2 and then 2 second rest, all the way to 10, okay? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. I could have probably went a little more, but you know what? That's what it's like. If you guys could do it all the way to 10, let me know. Go ahead and comment below. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go ahead and die now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for other future videos, cooking videos and travel videos. Right, everyone, I'm glad that you guys saw the 1 to 10 push-up challenge. Now, this push-up challenge is not easy at all. I know it looks easy, but it's not. Give it a shot. Go ahead and give it a try. I bet you guys won't be able to do it. Well, if you guys do, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know you guys did, because I've only done it twice. I don't know about you guys, but it's pretty hard. Anyways, next week or this weekend coming up, I will be going to Colorado and Denver with my girlfriend, and I will be making a video out of it. So expect a new video to come out, I would say, late next week. It's going to be even better, I hope. No, I'm sure it will be better. And well, stay tuned for the cooking videos and new demonstrations of workouts I will be showing you guys on this channel, travel, and all sorts of things. All right, stay tuned, guys. Peace out.